You were my reason, so tree my everything, and every reason were you. You were in my heart, so tree why you left in me sad one day that I just had nothing to say. Is love so weak or you never meant that way? Say something else. I need a reason today why you broke my heart this way. I just want you to say, just want you to say I loved you all the way when I wish I was in love. What is love? I come to know because of you that feeling of love so special with you. The day that we are all magical, I all the we are all magical. I all the personal strive in my heart. Every one of the minutes that I enjoyed with you, every one of the recollections that I made with you will remain in my heart. Perpetually, I realize things can't be changed throughout everyday life, except will be content with you being a piece of me. Something wonderful to recollect, which I meet see graduate for giving me those sentiments just for some time. It was euphoria forward from me forever. It contained feeling like me. Everything continued to fall before me like the leaves of Perevetro. Tree can't envision that it's all over between us. I can't envision that I cherished somebody like you with you. It was extraordinary and new, yet you never esteemed my adoration in life. Everything that I did and strived all adoration lost and one last farewell from me. There is not a lot to do in life. There is not a lot to see. Have you seen it? Have you seen the tears to know? And did you understand when I was carrying in torment? I cherished you so, and you authorize there were relatively few motivations to show simply that I interested you with things that I figured you would be many yet that I suppose was never ordained as your affection was each of the a mature funny. Such a lot of that just couldn't take it's the affection lost from my end. I can't imagine so farewell from me. I cherished you more. I adored you. Aggregately, things were great and we are brilliant. We were so content with one another. There was no debate of some other except for you never believed my explanation. Everything lost all sense of direction in the season. I cherished you from my heart. You were a astonishing part. I give you all I called in life. Now I don't have the solidarity to endure. It's finished for me. Lost love. As I can see that was love. I know there was love. I could recognize clearly love that made me so shattered. There was a yearning in this heart that guaranteed me that I am his part. However, the adoration was untenably lost in time.